Friends, do you want to get all paid apps available on Play Store for free? Friends, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to get paid apps for free. It is genuine, and if it does not work, I will close my channel. So let's start. First, download AU Downloader from the link in description. After downloading, install it from your file manager and do as follows. Friends, after installing, you can see it is written $2.99 and it is cut, and it is written side by download now, so it is 100% genuine and it will work on device too. Like and subscribe, and if you have any issues, please let me know it.